Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your speaker SOUNDCORE Select for Go. Firstly, make sure that your speaker is turned on, and after that let's turn off it. So press and hold power button for at least 3 seconds. Now your speaker is disconnected from your phone, and then we need to turn on it. So press one time at the power button. We just turn on it and the speaker will reconnect to your phone, and it can fix a lot small trouble. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.